get me some tacos and one of them good old drinks. They be having them tacos real good up here, y'all. I done got him 2 times, y'all. Let's hear what he got to say. Look out, look out.
I said 2 and 1, baby. You got it, bro.
I got
Good
it.
shit, bro.
Already, man.
Good shit, man.
Already. I cut a good light that time. He was sleeping at the light that time, y'all.
That motherfucker working better.
It's working better. That's them cut out. Shout out to the muffler man, Brian Witherspoon. Getting me right. Brian Witherspoon getting me right. Roll these windows back up. Okay, let me see. Okay. Boom. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. Share, tell your uncle and them. Everybody about my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. Yeah, y'all check out my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. Y'all wanna, let me see if the hot dog lady's still here. I see the security. Nah, hot dog lady done put it up. Somebody still on the track though. Somebody still on the track. I drive a 2015 Chevy Caprice, supercharged. And what else I got? Oh, an 82 Mustang. Jacket. Sunday, I tapped you on your shoulder. Jackie. Oh, yeah, Jackie, I remember. What was the time? You want me to tell everybody my time? All my people watching on TikTok, man, y'all come on over here and check out my YouTube channel. Get the flag. Y'all come on over to my YouTube channel. Look out, look out. Mr. Steel. Mr. Steel girl. I drive a 2015 Caprice. Captain Xanax from TikTok, guys. Look out, Captain Xanax. Big block 402 just subbed, y'all. Huh? Ah, man, I didn't block somebody in. Yes, sir. 2 supercharged.
Oh, okay. It came like that?
Nah, it didn't come like that. It didn't come like this. Somebody said he got room to get out. Man, everybody ain't no badass driver. They probably, you gotta look out, hey! You gotta watch for the warnings. Some people, they be letting you know, hey man, I can't drive that good. I'm the type that'll hit your shit.
You got that motherfucker from the candy shop?
I ain't never heard of the candy shop. You on my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing?
I'll check it out.
Okay, here we go. Let me.
You in that one?
Yeah, that's me.
What you got in there?
Supercharged.
What size?
Just a regular LSA.
What's up?
That,
I'll check you out when I get to the crib.
already bet. Appreciate you want to put your shout out in and let them know you in the building.
Motherfucker probably know me when they see me.
Okay. Y'all already know what it is. Y'all know him. Let me see. My bad, Ronnie. Oh, snap. That was Ronnie Barnes. Hey. Oh, how you doing today, Jessica? I've been doing good too, miss. Hey. Oh, y'all got some pineapple left? And what else? Cantaloupe. Yeah, let's mix them two together. Yeah, watermelon and cantaloupe. Bert Gummer said, hey, girl. Yeah. 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 I like that pina, though. Ooh, yeah. I mean, a whole bunch of that pina. Yeah, just like that. Hey, how you doing? I'm having a good day today, too. Your day been easy. You ain't sleepy today. You ain't tired. You look like your energy there still. Okay. 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 She been staying hydrated, y'all. I'm ready to get me some hydration going on. Let's see. Am I gonna eat? Yeah, let me get a quesadilla or something. Yeah, quesadilla. You like the way I see it, that's all. I got a new, I make new words. Yeah, quesadilla. Yeah, let me get a steak quesadilla, miss. Yeah. Yeah, one steak quesadilla. And I got some chicken at home, I barbecued. Yeah, I barbecued. Yeah, you don't know nothing about that. We barbecuing. Here you go, miss. Yeah, we be barbecuing. Okay. We got Kenny Castaneda. Okay. He's in the dry house this time. Miss, that's for you, miss. You welcome, miss. Oh yeah, that cantaloupe. I'll be back to bother y'all in a minute. Let me get this page.